I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Find the OBD2 port under the dash and plug the scanner in. Turn the ignition to on so modules wake up. Do not crank the engine yet. Next, enable your phone or tablet's Bluetooth or Wi-Fi because the scanner needs that link. Once done, confirm the scanner LED or power light is steady. This indicates proper connection. Make sure the car battery is healthy. Low voltage can interrupt communication and produce false errors. You'll pair the scanner to your app next. Open the app, select the listed device, and accept any pairing code. Once paired, choose Auto Detect for protocol or pick your vehicle year and make to speed detection. Then run a full scan to retrieve diagnostic trouble codes and vital live data streams like RPM, coolant temp, and fuel trims. While watching live values, note any anomalies. Pause or freeze frame for a snapshot, because those snapshots help you. You're almost done. Save or photograph the code list and freeze frames before clearing codes, because you may need that record. After addressing issues, use the app's Clear Codes feature. Once cleared, rescan and then perform a short drive cycle to allow monitors to rerun and confirm the repair. If the scanner won't connect or shows intermittent data, check the OBD2 fuse, confirm adapter seating, and restart phone Bluetooth. If problems persist, swap adapters or try another vehicle to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.